Installing a simple swap drive. Bays 0 and 1. Slightly separate the sides of the retainer. Align the 4 holes on the drive with the corresponding pins on the retainer, and then install the 2.5-inch or 3.5-inch drive into the retainer. Make sure the retainer handles are facing upward, and firmly push the drive assembly into the drive bay to ensure it is seated correctly. Note: install a 3.5-inch drive assembly into bay 0 and 2.5-inch drive bay assembly into drive bay 1. Connect the signal and power cables to the system board.